What is up, viewers? Welcome back to our channel, How to Guide. So basically in this channel we post tutorial videos. So in this tutorial video I will be explaining to you guys like how you guys can log in into Rocket Mortgage account. So basically it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. And yeah, if you guys are a new viewer, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, everybody. And yeah, let's move into the video. So the first step is you want to search for Rocket Mortgage login, just like I did over here on my screen, and then click on the first link over here. After clicking on the first link, it's going to take you over here. And what you want to do is once you're over here, there's like a red sign in button, as you guys can see. Just click on it and it's going to take you to this page. And over here, just basically enter your username where it asks you for your username, and then enter the password where it asks you for your password. And then what you want to do is click on sign in. And there you go. You should be able to log in into a Rocket Mortgage account. It's that simple. So hope you guys understand. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.